Okay, great. So before we have learned about prefer and also rather than, ya. Kita sudah coba prefer sama I would rather than and then etc. Do you remember what is a little bit, yeah, there is a little bit the difference between prefer and also would rather. What is the difference between both of them? Ada yang masih ingat what is the difference? Yang mana yang harus pakai
If
kata kerja? Which one yang pakai kata kerja?
Yang
kata
pakai
kerja
kata
pakai
kerja
prefer.
for rather. Ya,
Exactly. Betul sekali, would rather. Jadi harus ada kata kerja nih di would rather itu. I would rather, for example, I would rather have coffee, uh, gitu. I would from home ini sudah benar ini karena work itu adalah kata kerja. Uh, okay, I'm going to check again a little bit. So, oh, Mbak Gea, ada dua tadi ya. Mbak Gea, are you there? Okay, there she is. Okay, great. Okay, right. So that is the difference between I prefer and then I would rather blank 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 than blank blank blank. Okay, let's continue. Okay, great. Here, ini sudah kemarin ya. Ini juga sudah. Okay, breakout room juga sudah. Okay. Let's continue. Now we're going to talk about work, but related to preposition of place. Kita akan membicarakan tentang pekerjaan, tapi terkait dengan preposition of place, preposisi seperti itu. Misalkan di atas, di bawah, di depan, di belakang, dan lain sebagainya. Okay, I believe that you guys know what preposition is. Oke, saya yakin teman-teman tahu apa itu preposisi atau mungkin sudah tahu bahasa Inggrisnya di atas, di bawah, tapi saya cuma ulas-ulas sedikit saja di sini ya. Oke, let's see. Seperti for example here. Ini sengaja saya pakai gambar yang cute ya, supaya nanti kita akan kita bisa merangkai kalimat menggunakan gambar-gambar ini gitu. Okay, so for example, we have in, of course you know what it is, itu di dalam ya, on, di atas, under, di bawah, above, itu juga di atas. What is the difference between on and above? Apa perbedaan, what is the difference between on and above? Anyone knows maybe? Anyone wants to try to explain?
Boleh? Can I
Yes,
answer?
yes,
Uh,
please.
from what I know, the difference between above and on is uh, one of one of salah satunya itu karena konteks kayak above
Mhm.
itu misalnya
Because?
uh, because above itu kayak di above sea level, above
Mhm.
kayak di langit. Sorry, Miss. Do you hear it?
Yes. Yes. Cool.
Iya.
Jadi above itu biasanya di langit berarti tidak menyentuh ya, tidak menyentuh permukaan. It doesn't touch the object. While on, sedangkan yang on, while on itu menyentuh objek seperti ini. Above artinya di atas, tidak menyentuh. Seperti ini, burung terbang di atas em, apa pohon. Sedangkan burung hantu ada di atas kotak dan menyentuh gitu. Alright? Oh, bagian hilang-hilangan ya. Is my okay? Am I audible, guys? Apakah suara saya terdengar dengan jelas?
Your voice audible, Miss.
Yes. Okay. Great. Great. Okay. Then sama juga dengan below dan under. Below dan under itu artinya sama-sama di bawah. But what is the difference between below and under? Okay. If it's below, if it's under, itu biasanya seringkali ada apa seringkali tertutupi gitu. Ada sesuatu yang menutup gitu di atasnya seperti meja ini. Jadi pakainya under the table. Sedangkan kalau below itu uh, menunjukkan posisi yang lebih rendah gitu. Lebih rendah. Semisal, semisal seperti ini nih. Atau tidak menyentuh juga bisa. Semisal tidak menyentuh seperti ini. Contohnya, apa TV ada di atas meja, berarti dia dia menggantung nih, menggantung gitu kan? Dia nggak langsung ada di atas permukaan meja. That's the difference between below and under, gitu. And then also we have beside. Beside itu artinya di samping. Between and among. Among. Ya, between itu artinya di antara, among juga di antara. But the difference is, and then among is between many objects. Di antara banyak sekali objek. Gitu. Oke? Sampai sini dipahami?
Uh,
Halo?
got it, Miss.
Okay. Okay, great. Okay, great. Then let's continue. Let's try to use. Okay, it actually there is Kahoot game, but it's okay to skip it. Tidak apa-apa untuk skip saja Kahoot ini. Okay, now I want you guys to try this one berdua-berdua ya. Silahkan dicoba. um, Oke, dicoba em, Mas Angga dengan Mbak Gea. Mas Angga akan menjadi A, Mbak Gea akan menjadi B ya. Nanti Mbak Ferin dengan saya. Oke, please.
Oke, Miss.
Time is.
Oke, halo Mas Angga.
Halo, ya.
Kita udah di
Ya,
separate ya. Oke, Mas
oke.
Angga A.
Kan- Ya, kita mulai.
Oke.
Yes.
Hey, where are you?
I'm in the office.
Oh, I'm still on the way. I'll be there soon.
No problem. Your laptop is on the table.
Okay, is it under the document?
No, it's not under anything. It's right above the blue folder.
Oh, I see. Is my bag still below the table?
Yes, it's under the table, next to your chair.
By the way, where is Andy?
He's sitting between Rina and Dika.
Oh, nice. There are so many people among them today.
Yes, the office is quite busy.
Where is my phone?
Inside your bag.
Oh, I thought it was beside the laptop.
No, you put it in your bag earlier. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, great. Great. Okay, now Mbak Ferin, you will be with me.
Okay,
You will be A, I will be B.
okay. Um, Hi, where are you?
I'm in the office.
I'm still on the way. I'll be there soon.
Okay, no problem. Your laptop is on the table.
Okay, is it under the documents?
No, it's not under anything. It's right above the blue folder.
I see. Is my bag still below the table?
Yes, it's under the table next to your chair.
By the way, where is Andy?
He's sitting between Rina and Dika.
Oh, nice. There are so many people among them today.
Yes, the office is quite busy.
Where is my phone?
It's inside your bag.
Ah, I thought it was beside the laptop.
Okay. No, you put it in your bag earlier. Great. Okay, that is the example of the conversation in terms of preposition. Now, I want you guys to make your own conversation. What's in your room? So what's in your room? Okay, so I will divide you into two groups. Yeah, I will divide you into two groups. So for example, you will ask your friend later on. You will ask your friend, for example, what's in your room? There are so many things in my room, and then you can ask, what is the most favorite things in your room, and then etc. It's about your room, and then about the location, yeah, about the room, and then about the location. You got it, guys? Okay, great. Now maybe I will start from Mbak Perin and also Mbak Nufus.
I'm sorry. What?
Yes, Mbak Nufus. Sorry to shock you. Just right after you enter the room. So you're going to make a conversation with Mbak Ferin. So we're talking about preposition, ya, Mbak Nufus. We are talking about preposition in, on, at, beside, under, above, and then between, and then also among. Yes. So now, you and Bavarin will will talk each other about what's in your room, what's in your room right now. And also, you're going to talk about something that is related to preposition. For example, where is the location of your bag, or where are you right now? I'm sitting on the chair, and etc. You get it, Anufus?
Yeah, got it.
Okay, great. I will give you 3 minutes to do the conversation with Mbak Ferin. Okay, are you guys ready?
Okay, ready.
Okay, great. Please start the conversation.
Uh, who will be the first?
Yes?
Me?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Hi, where are you now?
I'm in the home.
Mm,
Yes. How about you?
I am sitting on my chair. And can you tell me about inside your home, around you?
Uh, I'm sorry. I cannot hear you.
Um, hello? Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Putus-putus ka suara ko, Mbak.
Yeah.
Wait. Hello?
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Test 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Can you
so,
repeat?
okay, can you tell me what is the objects around you right now?
Uh, okay. Right now I'm on my bed and I have one table in the front of me.
Mhm.
How about you? Can you tell me what's the thing under what's the thing that you have in your
Around
room?
me. Okay, around me. So now I'm sitting in my chair. Um, Beside me, there is my mom sitting, sitting beside me. In front of me, there is a television above the table, and
Mm-mm.
then there is fence between my cupboard and the television table. Um, Beside the television table, there is a piano there, and then red red eh, red chair um, in front of the piano, and then my cat sitting on the chair. What else? Oh, yeah, I think that's that. Oh, and there is a bowling bowling ball, the toy of my kid. Among among the of toys, that's right.
Oh wow, that's a lot of people. Yeah.
I'm trying my best to describe my room with the prepositions that I am kurang. Just that, and please can you tell me more? Maybe your television or your phone or your laptop. That is it.
Okay. I don't know what to question again. I think it's 30 minutes.
Okay, great. It's great. All right, thank you so much, Mbak Nupus and also Mbak Ferin. Great conversation. I like it. Thank you. Okay. Now next, Mas Angga and also Mbak Gea, please. Time is yours. Kalau mau dicampur, if you want to mix it, in case that you forget what is the meaning of the vocabularies, for example, in English, it's okay for you to mix it in bahasa ya. It's okay, nggak apa-apa. Nanti saya kasih tahu. I will tell you later.
Hello.
Okay, please, Mbak Gea and also Mas Angga.
Hello.
Mbak Gea, you will start the conversation. Yes.
Kenapa ya?
Okay. Halo Mas Angga.
Hello. Yeah, yeah.
Can you
Hey,
uh can you tell me where are you now and what you're doing?
I'm in the bedroom now. Yeah,
Okay.
and I between my guitar and my fan,
Okay, interesting.
and
What's
I
your maybe what's your uh, favorite object or things that you like in your bedroom,
favorite
and where is
object.
it?
Yeah,
Yeah.
uh, actually guitar, my
Mm.
favorite object. Ya di mana-mana ditaruh apa bahasa Inggrisnya?
I put it everywhere.
I put it everywhere.
Okay, you may ask also, Mas Angga, boleh tanya Bagia juga.
About you, Baga, where are you?
Okay. Right now I'm on my bed in my bedroom.
Hmm,
In front of me there is a laptop. Uh, there is a laptop on the table,
yeah.
and hmm, uh, maybe I want to share about my favorite object in my room. I like my uh, doll collection. It it's
Oh,
become my obsess right now. My doll collection uh, among my other my other perintilan yang ada di atas meja. Oh, what can I say, Miss?
Are on my table. The things
The things among the other
on the table.
on the
The things that
table.
are in my table.
Sorry, can you repeat again, please?
The things,
The things.
barang-barang yang ada di atas mejaku kan?
Iya, ada apa boneka aku ada di antara barang-barang yang ada di meja aku.
My doll.
My doll.
Is your doll only one
Nah, my dolls.
or there are many of them?
There is a lot.
Okay,
Yeah.
my are among
Okay, my mini dolls are
di
among
antara apa tadi? Mhm.
barang-barang yang ada di atas meja.
Oh, my dolls are among the things on my desk.
My dolls are among the things on my desk.
On my desk.
On my desk.
Very good. Okay, great. So that is the preposition, guys. If it's only one, then you can say is. So for example, my bottle is my bottle is yes. But if it's more than one, you can say my bottles are. Okay, my bottles are. Sorry, my signal is bad. I'm trying to fix it. Okay. Sure, sure. Sure. Okay, great. Now let's try for the next slide, yeah. Now, this is very important, guys. This is very, very important. IP, VVI, yeah, VVIP. Very, very important person. It'll very, very important vocabularies. So for this one, elephant in the room. Okay. You can follow me. Okay, you can follow me, but if you don't want to follow, it's all right. It doesn't matter. But as long as you can pronounce it clearly, I will be glad. So for this one, don't say elephant. You will say elephant in the room. Yeah. Elephant in the room. Yes, exactly. Okay, so it means that a big problem. A big problem everyone knows, but they just ignore it. They just, yes, they just ignore it. semua orang masalah yang semua orang tahu tapi biasanya dihindari. Okay, that's elephant in the room. And then in a hot water is in a big problem, dalam masalah yang besar. For example, contohnya, oh, you're in a hot water. Kamu dalam masalah besar. You are in a hot water. Kamu dalam masalah besar. Be careful. You are in hot water. Okay. On thin ice, supaya teman-teman bisa cepat hafal so that you guys can memorize it quickly. Remember, if you stand on the on the thin ice, then you will be fall, right? So it means that you are in a dangerous situation. Jadi kalau misalkan teman-teman berdiri di atas es es yang es yang tipis seperti itu, maka teman-teman akan jatuh gitu atau tenggelam. Berarti artinya dalam situasi yang berbahaya. It means that you are in a dangerous situation. So that's why on thin ice, dalam situasi berbahaya. In a hot water, dalam masalah besar. On thin ice, di dalam situasi yang berbahaya. And then ini semuanya terkait dengan preposition ya. In, on, out. Out of the woods. Out of the woods, keluar dari kayu-kayu di sini ya. Apa? Oh, woods ini di sini maksudnya hutan. Keluar dari hutan artinya keluar dari masalah. Nah, out of the woods, keluar dari masalah. Remember, out of the woods, keluar dari masalah. We are in the same boat. Itu kayaknya teman-teman sering mendengar. In the same boat artinya kita ada di situasi yang sama, ada di pihak yang sama, kita sepemikiran, sama kita senasib, gitu artinya, ya. Oke, we are in the same boat. Kita ada di situasi yang sama, kita. Terus, tadi Mbak Gia sempat menyebutkan ini ya, Mbak Gia sempat menyebutkan yang ini di awal pertemuan. I am under the weather. Artinya saya kurang sehat. I'm under the weather. Saya lagi kurang sehat. Under itu artinya di bawah, weather itu artinya cuaca, di bawah cuaca kurang sehat gitu ya. Jadi ini semua terkait dengan preposisi nih sama over the moon. Over the moon itu it means that you are very happy. Over the moon means that you are very happy. Artinya teman-teman lagi senang banget nih gitu. Behind my back. Behind his back. Behind her back. Artinya di belakang seseorang. Diam-diam gitu. Misalkan kamu ngomongin aku di belakang ya gitu. Bahasa Inggrisnya, are you talking behind my back? Are you talking behind my back gitu. Kamu ngomongin dia ya, misalkan dia yang laki-laki, are you talking behind his back gitu. Tinggal disesuaikan aja my, his, dan her. Terus, and then after that, at the end of the day, pada akhirnya. In the long run means dalam jangka panjang. Okay, very well. Semoga ini bisa masuk ya. Oke, for example, coba jangan tanpa lihat ya, tanpa lihat ya. Mbak Gia, can I ask you something?
Okay.
Okay, great. Mbak Gia, what do you want to say if you are in a dangerous situation? Yes, exactly, Mbak Verin. Mbak Erin.
Uh, I'm in a hot water.
I'm Ya, yes, dalam masalah besar, in hot water, dalam masalah besar. Kalau misalkan di dalam situasi yang berbahaya,
I mean, I forgot about ada phrasesnya. Kalau misalnya bahasa Inggris biasanya, I'm in the danger.
yes, bisa pakai apa di atas kayak tadi di atas kalau berdiri di atas es itu maka berbahaya kan? Di dalam situasi berbahaya karena
Uh,
bisa berarti?
I'm on thin ice.
Exactly, I'm on thin ice. Okay, great. Mas Angga,
Yes,
if you want to say saya sangat senang dalam bahasa Inggris, selain happy ya, pakai frasa-frasa yang ini.
I am over the moon.
Exactly. Mbak Erin,
Yes, hello.
okay. Um, how about this? Translate this one. Saya ingin kita keluar dari masalah ini.
I want we are out of the woods.
Okay, I want us, pakainya
Oh
us.
yeah, us. I want us. Oh, yeah. I want us out of the woods. Huh?
Yes,
Oh,
betul. I want us to out of the woods.
oh, used to, yeah. I want
Yes,
us to out of the woods.
exactly. Very well. Okay, Mbak Nufus.
Okay.
How about let me see. Jangan jangan khawatir, kita ada di situasi yang sama.
Apa khawatir?
Worry.
Oh, don't worry, we are the same boat. We are in the same boat.
Exactly, we are in the same boat. Very good. Kita lihat percakapan yang ada di sini. Okay, great. Okay, now AB ya. Mbak Ferin dengan Mas Angga ya. Mbak Ferin A, Mas Angga B. Silahkan dicoba.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Can we talk for a second? I feel like there's an elephant in the room.
Yeah, I think we both know what is it. What it is. The project
What
is
it
not
is?
going well, and honestly, I'm already in hot water with the manager.
Same here. If we don't fix this soon, we are going to be on thin ice.
True. But hey, we are in the same boat, so let's not panic.
I agree. At least we are not completely stuck. We are not out of the woods yet, but we still have a chance.
Exactly. But to be honest, I I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately, so I haven't been at my best.
Okay, great. Nah, for this one, hati-hati, chance. Ini dibacanya chance. Kalau change itu artinya ganti atau uang kembalian. So this one chance. Saya kalau misalkan kita tulis pronunciation-nya CANS, chance gitu, chance. And then, nah jujur ini walaupun ada H di depannya, kita tidak membaca hanya we don't read the H, we just read the O as A. Kita membaca O ini sebagai A. Misalkan honest gitu, pakainya honest. Oke? Haven't, oke, lately ini artinya akhir-akhir ini. Akhir-akhir ini ya, artinya untuk lately, I haven't been at my best. Oke, great. Oke, thank you so much for Mbak Erin dan Mas Angga ya. Mbak Gia and also Mbak Nufus, please, time is yours. Mbak Gia, you will be B ya. And then Mbak Nufus, you will be A.
Okay. Hello.
Hello.
Okay. Hey, can we talk for a second? I feel like there's an elephant in the room.
Yeah, I think we both know what it is. The project is not going well, and honestly, I'm already in hot water with the manager.
Same here. If we don't fix this soon, we're going to be on a thin ice.
True, but hey, we're in the same boat, so let's not panic.
I agree. At least we're not completely stuck. We're not out of the woods yet, but we still have a chance.
Exactly, but to be honest, I've been feeling a bit under the weather lately, so I haven't been at my best.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay, great. That's cool. All right. Let me see. Okay, Ed, sorry. Okay, now let's see how can we use it in a conversation, in an impromptu conversation. So I will divide you into two groups again, but in breakout room ya, breakout room for this time. So guys, silakan diaplikasikan satu atau salah duanya ya. Dua atau tiga boleh silakan di ini diaplikasikan sama, and then also about the preposition juga on in and etc. Sama frasa-frasa yang ini elephant in the room. Boleh cuma satu aja yang dicoba, it's okay. Pokoknya nanti di conversation itu ada ya. And then on thin ice, out of the woods, in the same boat, under the weather. Okay, now I will divide you into two groups. Okay, a moment. Let me check the group. Okay, here. So, create. Wait. A moment, a moment. Haven't started yet. Wait, recreate. Assign automatically. There are two rooms. Okay. Okay. Accepted. Okay. Wait. Assign to room one. Belum ada muncul ya?
Iya, Kak.
Belum ada.
Okay. Wait. Okay, one and room two. Mas Angga sudah di room one harusnya. And then room two. Room two. And then room one. Okay, great. Please Okay. Hello, Magia. How was it?
Interesting.
Great.
Kasihan dong, jangan gitu.
Great.
Gepa.
I heard you guys talking in
No.
each room. That's very interesting. You guys use a
Sakit
lot of
dong.
expressions. Banyak menggunakan ekspresi di ini ya, di apa? Di frasa yang kita sampaikan hari ini. The phrases that we use for today, and that's very cool, guys. The phrases that I give you, the phrases I gave you, all of them are very important. Itu semuanya important dan pasti kepake, dan juga itu adalah it's very natural way to speak in English. Itu biasanya sangat natural, apalagi if you guys often watch Netflix or often watch movies, ya, English movies, you will hear that a lot. Anda akan dengar banyak sekali frasa-frasa itu. Elephant in the room, kayak Zootopia, di Zootopia juga ada, if you have watched Zootopia, elephant in the room, and then I am over the moon, we are in the same boat, etc. Itu semuanya frasa-frasa yang natural di kehidupan sehari-hari dan pasti akan kepake, so don't forget about it. That's cool, guys. Okay. Okay, so anyway, is there any problem that you face? Ada problem-problem yang di face selama conversation tadi?
I'm just confused how to ask.
Ah, yes, exactly. Exactly. Because we're not used to it ya. Kita belum terbiasa dengan percakapan-percakapan impromptu. But later on, if you used to it, then it's getting easier. Nanti akan mudah gitu. That's cool anyway. But I see no problem because you guys speak very confident. So I think yes, for me who watched it, I think you guys don't have a problem. How about others? Bagaimana dengan yang lain? What is your biggest problem in doing the conversation?
I think I don't I don't know how to get basa-basi because we don't have
Chit
topic.
chat. Basa-basi is chit chat. Yes.
Yeah, I don't know how to start a conversation too.
Exactly. You will also learn how to do chit chat here. Impromptu conversation, because that is the key, that is the important key for you guys to unlock your speaking skill, your conversational skill. So that's why you need to know how to do the chit chat. Anda harus tahu bagaimana caranya berbahasa basi. Gitu. Biasanya yang bisa basa-basi ya cowok ya. How is it, Mas Angga? Bisa ya?
I think he don't.
Nggak bisa.
Not really ya.
Yeah,
Okay,
when
that's
when
good.
we met each other, I will teach him how to chit chat with a girl.
Yes, exactly. Supaya terbiasa. Nah, di sini ya sekalian ya. To chit chat to others, to chit chat to your friends, and then others, because chit chat is very important in build relationship with your friends and also with your business partner and etc. Okay. Great, guys, for today. I have heard each of you speak in each room, and that's very cool. Maybe the feedback is only the structure, but it's okay. Tidak masalah. I'm not going to correct your structure. The important one is you are able to come up with the vocabulary. Anda bisa come up dengan vocabulary, Anda tidak terlalu bingung gitu. Bingung pun nggak, it doesn't matter because it's part of the process. Karena nanti along the way you join the class, you will be able to come up with the appropriate vocabulary and also sentences gitu. Okay. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much, guys. Is there any question that you want to ask?
Can I ask before
I
the class
want
is over?
Sure,
I
sure,
want to
sure.
ask.
Eh, Tadi kepikiran aja sih. Kalau misalnya off itu nggak masuk ke preposition ya?
What is it? Off?
Kayak eh, off the bus gitu
Oh,
atau
no.
feeling off gitu-gitu.
No, bukan termasuk preposisi untuk yang off ya.
Heeh.
Yes.
Oh,
On
oke
the
oke.
bus baru. On the bus. Bisa.
On the bus. On the
Yes.
bus itu in the bus, no.
That's a good question. Oke, jadi in the car, tapi on the bus. In the car, kita bilang in the car, tapi yang benar untuk di dalam bis itu adalah on the bus, bukan in the bus. Kenapa? Karena untuk yang transportasi publik gitu ya, transportasi publik yang besar ya, yang bisa memuat banyak orang itu kita pakainya on. Jadi misalkan saya lagi di dalam pesawat nih, I am on the plane. I am on the bus karena bus itu bisa memuat banyak orang. Terus apalagi I am on the seaplane. I am on the ship gitu. Tapi kalau di dalam mobil, karena mobil itu memuat sedikit orang dan mobil itu pribadi ya, bukan mostly pribadi, bukan yang transportasi umum gitu. Walaupun dia transportasi umum pun dia cuma bisa mengangkut paling 5 orang atau 4 orang gitu ya, yang paling banyak ya 5-6 orang bisa lah gitu. Tapi nggak sebanyak bus, nggak sebanyak plane gitu. Jadi that's why we say in the car, gitu, pakainya in the car karena bukan mostly bukan transportasi umum dan juga tidak memuat banyak orang sebanyak di bus gitu. That's cool. How about that? Do you get it?
Got it, Miss. Thank you.
Sure thing. So next time jangan bilang in the bus tapi on the bus. Jangan bilang on the car tapi in the car gitu. Great. Nice question. Anything else? Ada lagi? Mbak Nufus tadi nggak jadi?
I just wanna ask. Can we have the PDF? The
Oh,
slide?
sure. Oh, sure, sure, sure. I will send it. I
Yeah.
will send it later on the group. Nah, ini lagi on the group ya. Bukan in the group atau bukan juga di sosial. Misal di TikTok, kita tidak bilang in TikTok tapi pakai on. Untuk sosial media, untuk media-media seperti itu kita pakai on gitu. On TikTok, on Facebook, on Instagram. Oke, sekalian. Oke, sure thing, Mbak Nufus. I will send it right now ya, after the class. Okay, guys, so that's it for today. And if there's no question, then then let's finish the class. But if you have any other question, please reach me out, yeah. Or also you can put your questions on the group if you want. But if you don't want to put it on the group, you can chat me personally. Okay, thank you guys for your attention and attendance. Let's meet again next week, yeah. Be healthy, be healthy. Semoga teman-teman semuanya sehat terus, okay? Be healthy and good night if it's your time to sleep and good evening kalau masih belum. Bye-bye, guys.
Thank you
Bye-bye,
for the
Miss.
lesson tonight, Miss
Thank
Thank
you,
Evelyn.
Miss.
Thank you, Mbak Erin
Blessed
also,
weekend.
and then Mbak yes. And then Mbak Nufus, Mas Angga juga. Thank you.
Thank you
Goodbye.
all.
Good night.
Yes.
Bye.
Bye.